Alright, we are back here in the Laser Lounge next to Tumbler Town. We've moved the 30-watt fiber, so we have enough room here to assemble. This is the tower here with the motorized up and down for focus. And here, if you were going to do those plates, like say if you wanted a 300 or a 400 lens, you would use those plates to give you more height, so that way you can focus your different size lenses. But we're just going to leave the 110 and the 210 on here for now. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to move this laser, the CO2 fiber or Galvo. Once we get it connected, we're going to put it over here, move that laptop over here, and then we're going to have the CO2 section and then the fiber section. So we're going to take these. These are our number 6 Allen. And we're just going to start screwing this to the base. Doesn't take very much.
Looks like about 8 foot-pounds of torque.
As much as I can give it. Give her all she's got. Just trying to feel and make sure that that went down far enough, because these are a little bit longer. But once that's in position, it's not really going to move. Alright, so that is that. Now the cool thing about this is that this tower has registration marks here on both sides. There's only one pinpoint actuator thing here, whatever it's called, this thingy, that on either side, so you can just unscrew these 2 Phillip heads and put them on the other side here if you want the Galvo head to sit on the other side. So you have options here. That's what these are, the holes. So you can have it to where the tower is here and the Galvo head is here, or you can have it where I have it, where the tower is here and the Galvo head is here. But the reason why we're going to put it over here is because the Galvo head is going to go back further than this area. So to get this in here, I'd probably have to set this like this, which is not, you don't want to do that. Not with this kind of machine. So we'll put it on the longer table. All right, let's go ahead and get it moved and then get the Galvo head on it.
All right.
All right, this thing is a beast. It's extremely heavy. I hope this IKEA table can hold it. So now we got to figure out, first thing is to center this on this. So there are nuts in here.
Let me get
Another maker is over here coming from Monday. And these go in, these little slide nuts, and then you tighten them on here. So you could put this wherever. You just want this head to maximize your space of the breadboard where it's going to be centered. And you can start it here and then move it later to fine tune and adjust it, because you may have to level it or, you know, shim it to make sure that this is level with this. It doesn't need to be level with the ground. This and this have to be on the same level. So if this is like 1 tick past the left line, you want this 1 tick past the left line.
They need to be parallel.
Yeah, what that guy said. So we get these in here. Find them.
So yeah, your 2 nuts are way on the left side. I can stop filming for this part.
There's a lens. This is straight.
The thing is definitely turned.
Yeah. I'm just looking at the center. So we really want the center of the lens to be right about here. That there. Let's see if I can slide this back. center to me, huh? How's that look there?
Yeah, that's good.
More parallel. That's good. So I'm going to tighten them down. Alright, and now we can check the levels. So that is pretty level. It's a little bit to the right. Not that way.
Let me get a shot of it for you.
And that's the same. So they are level to each other, which is what we want. Make sure all the cables are tight. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to move it over here.